All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview for the week of February 13th, 2023 to February 17th, 2023. My office hours this week are Monday 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Friday 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. It's quarter 3, week 4. On Monday in live class, we will discuss how credit can be applied to legal matters with the CYU Credit and Financial Services Part B. Tuesday in live class, we'll identify deceptive sales practices and their impact on consumers. And then you'll have the project there of keeping track of credit. Wednesday, you have the lesson, deceptive sales practices with the vocabulary term there, or key term, National Do Not Call Registry. Thursday, CYU, deceptive sales court cases. And then Friday, the project on fair or unfair sales practices. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week.